the most amazing thing ever. That little gobbler was, not even 10, 11 feet away. And I was so busy filming him, I couldn't think about shooting him in that moment. Wow, that was really neat. Even closer than I got to the turkey yesterday, after crawling through the wettest grass and turf on this land for about 2.5 hours. I got about maybe 20 feet away, but this guy was about 11 or 12. I couldn't help but spook him. It would have been a great shot though, not even 4 yards. But most of the excitement comes just from being out here and